Jai Hind, dear students. I hope so you all are fine. So before starting our today's class, let me ask you, have you completed your yesterday work? I hope so, yes. We have done two questions that how to divide any two fraction. So today we are going to learn more about it. So let's start question number 3. Question number 3 says that there are some parts in the question and you have to find the value after dividing them. As you know, whenever we will divide any two fractions, or if we will divide any fraction by a whole number, what we do, we basically flip the denominator part, or whatever part is present at the bottom, we flip it and put the multiplication sign. As you can easily see in the picture, that if A over B is divided by C over D, what we will do, we will just flip over the denominator part, that it will become D over C, and also we will change the sign as we are doing the reciprocal, and then simply simplification of the part. Clear? These things we have also done in yesterday's class. So I have also told that how to learn or remember this in a best possible way. Just leave the first part, change the sign and turn the second part. So moving to the first part, the first part says that we need to divide 7 over 3 by 2. So how we will write this? We will write it as 7 over 3, which is our numerator, is divided by 2. So we will put multiplication sign and flip it over. So we'll get 1 over 2. Clear? Now multiplying the numerator part, we will get 7 times 1 is 7 and denominator part is 6, that is 3 times 2. Now the most common question that is asked by you, that is it necessary to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction? So I will say yes. Please convert the improper fraction that you are getting as a result into the mixed fraction. So here if you will do, our answer will be 1 whole 1 over 6. Clear? Now moving to fifth part. In fifth part, first of all we will convert the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 gives you 7. So we'll write 7 over 2. Now change the sign as multiplication and then turn over. So you will get 1 over 4. Clear? We have done the reciprocal of 4 to find the division. 7 times 1 will gives you 7. 4 times 2 will gives you 8. So our answer is 7 over 8. Also, if you will see, this is a proper fraction. I hope so you have understood that how to divide any two fractions. So it is very important, as I say always in every video, that practice the questions, then only you will be able to reduce your errors. So in this way we will find the division. Clear? Now we are going to do the next question, that is question number 4. In question number 4, what is different? Here you are getting division of two proper fractions. But before that, let's learn some more thing about reciprocal. Basically, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal is a mathematical expression or function so related to another that their product is 1. If you will see also, the reciprocal is usually the flip of the fraction. Like you can see one example also, where the product of both the fraction is 1. So now let's start our questions. So if you will see, we are going to do same thing as we have done. First we will write 2 over 5, then changing the sign into multiplication and then flipping half. It will be 2 over 1. Now multiplying the numerator, you will get 4 and 5 as a denominator. Easy? You can also see that 4 over 5 is proper fraction. So in this way you can also find the type of the fraction also. Now what we will say? We will say that if we will divide 2 over 5 by half or by 1 over 2, we will get result 4 over 5 or 4/5. Clear? So I hope so you are understanding what we are going to do or what we have done in the question. So moving to third part. In third part, we will do the same. We will write 3 over 7 times, now flip it, or find the reciprocal of 8 by 7. You will get 7 over 8. Clear? Now there's a factor. 7 times 1 is 7. So we can cancel it also. 3 times 1 is 3. 8 times 1 is 8. So 3 over 8 is the result of this question. Or we can say, if we divide 3 over 7 by 8 over 7, we will get result 3 over 8 or 3/8. In this way, using the same method that we have learned, we have solved this question also. I hope so you are also doing the questions while watching the video. Please pause the video and first try it by yourself. Then check that either your answer is correct or not. Now moving to fifth part. In fifth part, first of all we have to convert this into an improper fraction. So converting the mixed fraction, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 gives you 7. So 7 over 2 is your first part, times reciprocal of 8 over 3 gives you 3 over 8. And then on multiplication, it gives 21 over 16. Since this is an improper fraction, you can also convert it into mixed fraction. As you can see in the picture also, I have converted it. So 21 divided by 16, it will give you 1 whole 5 over 16 as result. I hope so I am clear at this point. Now moving to the next part. In this part, if you will see, we have to do the division of two mixed fraction. So before that, first of all we will convert it. As we have already learned so many times that how to convert any mixed fraction into an improper fraction, I hope so now all of you have been able to solve it very well. Am I correct? I think so, yes. So doing same in the question, 5 multiplied by 3 gives you 15. 15 plus 1, 16. And we will write 5 as our denominator part. Understood? So we will write as 16 over 5. Now change the sign. Yes, multiplication sign. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 will gives you 5. So we will write this part as 5 over 3. Taking the reciprocal of 5 over 3, we will get result 3 over 5. I hope so I am clear at this point. Now multiplying the numerator and denominator part, we will get 16 times 3 is 48 over 25. Understood? And this is how we will solve this question. Now very important point, that the questions that I have done in the video has to be done in classwork copy, and the questions that is left to do should be done in homework copy, or you can go with your syllabus also. I hope everyone is having syllabus, so on that basis you have to complete your work. One more thing I want to share with you all, that Please utilize your time effectively because no one can reverse it ever. So do more practice of the questions using the worksheet provided, or you can use the side books. So we have completed our exercise 2.4 also. In next video we will learn about decimal numbers. Till then, thank you and take care.